Okay students, we are going to continue the problems on pressure. A vessel is filled with air under the pressure P0. Okay, so under the pressure, a vessel filled with air under pressure P0. A soap bubble has how many surfaces? Two surfaces of diameter d, and the air pressure have been reduced to, pressure is reduced how much? N times. So pressure is reduced how many times? N times it is reduced, n folds, and bubble diameter is increased by R folds. The isothermally means temperature remains constant. Okay, first let's write out what he is asking. So a vessel is filled with air, so outside pressure is P0, contains a soap bubble of diameter d. So if diameter is given, pressure inside the bubble is equal to P0 plus 4T by R is nothing but d by 2, d is nothing but P0 plus 8T by d. So first expression, initially the bubble, and what is the volume inside initially? It's 4 by 3 pi into pi d cube by 8. So this is the volume initially, it is nothing pi d cube by 6. Okay, this is the volume, initial volume. Now what he is saying, the air pressure have been reduced to n folds. Reduced how much times? N folds. So P outside prime is nothing but P0 by n times it is reduced, and the bubble diameter is increased by R folds. Diameter is d prime is equal to R times d. Find the surface tension of the liquid. He is asking us to find the surface tension. How to find? So isothermal, he is given some situation, isothermal. So isothermal is in thermodynamics, PV is equal to nRT. So PV is equal to constant. What is P? P is pressure, V is volume. Pressure inside the bubble into volume of the bubble is nothing but constant. So P initially, this is very important, listen. Pressure initially, volume initially is equal to P final into volume final. So P initially, what is the pressure inside initially? P0 plus 8d T by d into what is the volume initially? Pi d cube by 6. Finally, how much is the volume? Sorry, we don't know pressure. Pressure inside is equal to P0 by n plus 4T by d becomes, so RD by 2, 8 into now P0 by n plus 8T by R into d into final volume pi into d becomes RD, R cube into d cube by 6. So this pi d cube gets cancelled, and he is asking us to find the surface tension. So simplify this one, P0 plus 8T by d is equal to P0 by n plus 8T by RD into small r cube. So he is asking us to find a t value. T send the other values to other side. P0, R and n are known. Get the value of t. Okay. Let's see other question. So two identical soap bubbles collapses nahi combined on coalescence, so to form a single bubble if V is the consequent change in volume. So two bubbles are combined to form, and the change, so two identical bubbles and the consequent change in volume of the container. So read carefully, consequent change in volume of the container. Change in container means volume is final volume minus initial volume, okay, is V, and change in total surface area is S. S is final surface area minus initial surface area. T is the surface tension of the soap. Then what he is asking, which of these three, this 4 is correct. He is asking like this, and he is mentioned very important point. Assume that temperature remains same in all bubbles. Temperature remains same means what condition it is? Isothermal. Isothermal is PV is equal to constant. PV is equal to constant. Okay, let's do this. Say there is one bubble, two identical bubbles. So two identical bubbles, they combine to form, just before combining, okay, after they combine to form a big bubble. Let's assume the radius R as and two identical bubbles radius is smaller. So change in volume is nothing but 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus So 2 into 8, sorry, 4 by 3 pi into 2 times r cube, because initially they have 2 bubbles. So this is nothing but v is nothing but 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus 2r cube is nothing but change in volume. Change in area, surface area, is nothing but 4 pi into capital R square minus 4 pi into 2 into small r square, because 2 identical. 4 pi into capital R square minus 2r square. Okay, they are combined to, so these two are very important. Then they are combined to form a single bubble isothermally. If isothermal situation is mentioned, isothermal is P, so PV PI VI is equal to P final V final. Initially how many bubbles are there? 2 bubbles, they are combined, so it's equal to P initially P1 V1 plus P2 V2 is equal to PF VF. You may ask her they are separate, but they are about to merge, so that's why we should take inside. Okay, P1 is equal to P atmosphere plus 2T by, so this is what bubble? So bubble, so it will be 4T by R1. R1 is nothing but R into V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into R cube, plus P2 is nothing but P atmosphere and plus 4T by R into 4 by 3 pi R cube is equal to final volume, final pressure is equal to P atmosphere plus 4T by capital R into 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube. So let's send the other part to other side. So P atmosphere, just keep it aside, P atmosphere 2, so 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3, okay, let's keep that as it is. So send to other side, P atmosphere 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube. If it goes to other side, so 2 small r cube minus capital R cube. Okay, P atmosphere, and here R square gets cancelled and it will be, so plus 4T by R into square gets cancelled and it is equal to, so 4T by R, 4T into 4 pi, 4T by 3 I'm taking 4 pi R square plus R square, so 2R square, 40 into 2R square minus this R that goes to other side minus R square is equal to 0. P atmosphere, this is nothing but V. So if we see carefully, this is the volume change, P atmosphere into V plus 4 pi R square, so 4T by 3 into 4 pi R square, change is nothing but S, is equal to, there will be minus final volume minus change in volume, final volume minus initial volume, minus S is equal to 0. So 3PV plus 4TS is equal to 0. So this is the expression. Okay, so 3PV plus 4ST is equal to 0. This is what the expression is. I want to tell you one more question regarding this kind of problems. So there will be, the question is like, initially bubble is at the bottom of the lake at the depth D. Now the bubble is raised to the surface of the water, radius R2, initially radius R1. So find the radius if it is raised isothermally it is raised. We have to find P inside, volume inside must be equal, initial is equal to P final, volume final. P initial is equal to how much is the pressure? P atmosphere plus rho G H plus, so air bubble, so 2T by R, because it is inside the water. Initially 4 by 3 into pi into r small r1, right, r1 cube, which is equal to finally volume P atmosphere plus 2T by R2 into 4 by 3 pi R2 square, 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. So from here you will get a quadratic equation. From there you can solve. Initial radius they will give, final radius you have to find, because it is changing isothermally. Thank you very much.